Hey everybody, Robbie here with RC Detail. Obviously we all heard the governor's announcement yesterday about COVID-19 and the state of Alaska being in a state of red. So what we wanted to do today was kind of take a moment and explain to you guys what we've already been doing as part of the COVID-19 process since March. Show you a few of the tools, go over our contactless drop-off features and pick up, and help everybody feel a little bit more at peace with having their vehicles detailed here. So first off, we want to talk about an ozone machine. So ozone goes into the vehicle. We've used it for odor elimination for years, for cigarettes and stuff like that, but it also has a sanitizing factor in it. It sanitizes the air at a rapid rate. So before any of my guys get into your truck or myself, we run this in there for 15 minutes. Then we'll move your car around to our wash bay and start with its process. And then when we bring your vehicle back outside, an RC Detail team member will put this back inside for another 12 to 15 minutes. That way it is clean and sanitized for you. We won't re-enter your vehicle. If for some reason we do have to re-enter the vehicle, we do this process all over again. Keeps everybody safe. In addition to that, we use a steamer in all of our details now as well. Steam's been around for years and is highly effective at killing bugs and viruses and all that good stuff. Again, this is nothing new to us. We do this every day. While COVID-19 has brought a lot more awareness to what we're doing as far as safety and sanitation, these are things RC Detail's been doing since we started. The other big thing we use, and a lot of companies talk about chemicals and what sanitizer, we actually wanted to show you guys what sanitizer we use. We use a product called Tri-Clean by G-Technic. G-Technic has had this product on the market for years. Back when swine flu was around, they actually had it tested, and it was tested to kill swine flu back then. We're just waiting for some updated information. Hopefully we get that here within the next 90 days that it shows that it kills COVID-19. But in the meantime, through our research, we found this is the best product. We get tons of compliments on the way our vehicles smell. Because of this product, we stand behind it. We use it on every single detail. Doesn't matter if it's our monthly detail program, those cars running through, or our high-end ceramic coating packages. In addition to this, we offer our valet pickup and delivery. You'll see me with a spray bottle. I'm the one that does all the pickup and deliveries. I'll be spraying driver's seat, steering wheel, handles, that kind of thing before I enter your vehicle. And then when I drop it back off, we'll be doing that. So it's clean and safe for you. In addition to that, my staff will be wearing masks. When you come in, we ask everybody social distance just a little bit. We can do contactless payments via text message. It's pretty cool. We use a new system called You're Able. You get a text message right to your phone. You pay that, and then you'll get a digital receipt that goes with it. And we can book all your appointments right over the phone. Same with quotes. If you don't want to come in the building at all, we've got a key drop outside, and then actually we use a lockbox where we give you an individual code to get your keys back out of that lockbox, so you don't have to enter RC Detail at all to be able to have your car detailed. If you have any questions, please feel free to call and ask us about what we're doing. We're taking this seriously. We want to do our part to help reduce infection numbers. So again, please give us a call if you've got any questions or comments, and we'd be happy to assist you.